How to define your ChatGPT strategy. Everyone keeps saying the same thing: write great content, build strong brands, create a great product. Okay, but what exactly should I do if I want ChatGPT to recommend me to my clients? That's what we will figure out just right now. Let's go through the key questions, and one by one I'll show you what to do depending on your answer. Question 1. Do you sell product or a service? If you sell products, your priority is detailed descriptions, comparisons, and FAQ pages. AI loves structured information. If you sell services though, focus on cases, client stories, and expert content that proves how you solve real problems. Question 2. Is your business local or online? For local businesses, optimize your Google business profile and collect local reviews. For online businesses, publish in English, if you can, and other major languages, if you can. Write expert articles and be active on platforms like Quora or Medium. Question 3. Is demand for your product high or niche? High demand means heavy competition. You need to stand out with unique studies, FAQ content, and PR mentions in trusted media. I realize not everyone has its own PR department, but if you do these PR publications, AI will cite you. Niche demand means you must explain what you do. Glossaries, educational content, and blogs, niche blogs, will work the best. Question 4. Are you basic or premium? If you're selling basic or affordable products, create simple guides, checklists, and show lots of reviews. Just be practical. It's your edge. If you're selling premium products or services though, publish case studies with numbers, research, and clear explanations of why it's worth more. Question 5. Is your offer simple or expert? For simple offers, straightforward instructions, FAQ. For expert offers, publish white papers, in-depth articles, and detailed case studies. Question number 6, my favorite one. Do you compete with big brands? If yes, classical SEO think. Focus on the long tail. Create very specific content and niches that big brands are tending to ignore. If no, means that you are another kind of animal. Build your own brand new authority hub with blogs, guides, and educational content if you still have this possibility to be first. Blog, guides, and educational content is your key. Question number 7. Do customers need proof before buying? If yes, highlight certifications, reviews, and case studies. Take all these things and publish it in trusted media. If somehow your customers don't need proof before buying, sometimes it's happening for basic things. Anyway, if no, focus on clarity and convenience. Make ordering easy, answer questions quickly, and use customer stories. Question 8. How do clients usually find you? If locally, Google Maps, and get mentions in local press. Is expertise is the area and the way how your clients are finding you. Grow a blog, publish on YouTube, create a podcast, and publish on Medium. If brand mentioning is something which helps you to find your clients and your clients to find you, then invest in PR and influencer mentions and on being visible in media. So here's the key. Your ChatGPT strategy depends on your business specifics. There's just no single way or single recipe. Answer these questions honestly and step by step, and you'll know exactly where to start. By the way, you can download my free PDF guide with all the questions and strategies mentioned. The link is right below this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.